How to reset Facebook default settings. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset settings to default in Facebook. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now, you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. Then, you want to scroll down and locate the Facebook app over here. Once you have found that, tap on it. Now, here you want to tap on the storage option. After you tap on this, you want to tap on the Manage Storage button over here. Now, it's going to ask you Delete App Data. So when you tap on the Delete option, all of the application's data is going to be permanently deleted. After it has been deleted, all of your settings and preferences are also going to be set as default. So after you have deleted the app data, you simply want to open the Facebook app, log into your account, and then check your settings to see if it has been set to default or not. There is another method as well. You simply want to uninstall the Facebook application. After you have uninstalled the app, you simply want to install it again on your device. After the reinstallation, you want to log into your account, and that also helps to reset the settings to default in Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.